Welcome to Class Saathi.
Hi everyone. So today I will tell you how you can get started with Class Saathi. So I'm sure all of you are here and excited to learn about how this application help you to learn or teach more effectively and efficiently. So to first download the application, what you need to do is either you can open our website, which is this URL over here, and you can head to the section over here on the side and click on downloads and click on the download now button. Or if you're using a Mac, you can go to the App Store and simply type in Class Saathi. It's right here, but I'll just show you how it looks like over here. And you can simply install it from here. Or if you have a Windows laptop, you can download from the Microsoft Store as well. And if you have an Android panel or device, you can go to the Play Store and download Class Saathi. So I will download it from the Play Store to show you how you can install and log in. For logging in, I'm sure the team has sent you the ID and password to log into your credentials, so you can use those to log into your grade. So for example, the app has now been downloaded, so let me just open up that for you. And the manuals and everything I'm sure has been sent to you on the onboarding itself. So your ID and password would come over here. So I'll just type in my ID and password that I use, and you can simply log in and access your Class Saathi account. So if you're a grade 10 teacher for physics, you have now logged into your classroom.